What's going on, guys? It's me, Miranda, and today we're in a new atmosphere. We were actually in Mama's kitchen. I am stealing it for the day because it has better lighting than mine and better equipment. So anyways, I'm going to show you what I do for my meal prep for my breakfast items. Today is going to be my version of an Egg McMuffin or a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin. So why don't you join me today? I'll break down all the prices between what you'd spend at McDonald's every day if you ate there 5 times a week, or if you want my version and ate this for 12 times. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in and I'll walk you through what's going on. Also, side note, I want to test out 2 types of eggs. One is like Starbucks white eggs, but I don't use just white egg whites. I'm going to use the yolk and all that stuff. And then the other way is just going to be the old-fashioned fried egg. So let's dive right into this cooking.
Alright guys, so here I'm making the egg bites. So what I did was I greased up the pan with some oil. I didn't have the spray oil, so I just put some oil in the pan, rubbed it around with a paper towel. But here, just break the egg yolks, mix in some salt, pepper, and red crushed pepper flakes. And then I preheated the oven for 350 degrees. I cooked them for 17 minutes. Depends on how well your oven cooks or how slow it cooks. So you usually play around with the times. And I just want to make sure that I broke my eggs up quite well. Now, if I do it again, I think what I'm going to do is actually put it in a measuring cup and mix it that way to hopefully get the eggs to mix a little bit better. So here we're just going to make the sausage patties. I made it just like a little bit different than what I would do for a hamburger patty, but you just need to get a somewhat round, decent sized patty to cook out. So what I did is I made it all first before I threw it on the griller and then cooked it off that way. You can use a frying pan or you can probably even bake it. I already had the oven going for a couple other things, so I was just going to cook it on the griller, kind of show you guys some different options you can use if maybe you don't have a working oven.
Yeah, and then put it all on there and then light all the tops up.
Yeah. Yeah, put them all on there.
And then this is what I did last time.
Are you going to cook all of, or how, they're not all sausage, right? 2,
No,
4, 6. So you're going to do 6 bacon, 6 sausage?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't do all the eggs.
And where are you going to put the cheese?
I think between the sausage and the egg.
I agree.
Alright, so now we're just putting the sausage patties on the muffin, and then we're just going to add some cheese, kind of hold the sausage to the egg so it doesn't slide away from each other, because it's one of the things I hate the most is when your egg kind of slides halfway off your sandwich and then you're kind of stuck with some bites without egg in it. I used regular American cheddar cheese. You can use Swiss or Munster or whatever kind of you want to. And here I was using the eggs that I mimicked from Starbucks and decided to cut them in half as they would make my sandwiches too thick in my opinion. Which it works perfectly fine if you wanted to do it in the oven, or you can do the fried egg later on, which I have a small clip for you guys as well. So I just cut them in half, put the top back on, and called it a day. If it's perfectly on there, it's kind of like the after shot. Let me tell you, they turned out so delicious, especially with the bacon. And then I just wrapped it. So you take some plastic wrap, you put the sandwich about a third of the way in, and you start rolling it, fold the edges through. Of course, you're going to fight with the plastic wrap a little bit. It never wants to get cut. I don't know why. But even like restaurant grade, it doesn't ever want to get cut. It gets annoying. So yeah, I put it a third way through. You flip the top over and you just kind of roll it on through. Fold the sides in, and you're set. Now when I go and cook this, or reheat this, I should say, I do put some paper towels around it, kind of collect the moisture that comes from it, because it's just going to make your McMuffin soggy, and no one wants a soggy muffin. So this is the fried egg. So you just crack it into a hot pan. It doesn't have to be super hot, it's kind of like warmish. Let it cook up a little bit, and then you flip it, finish it cooking, and you call it a day.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it shows kind of like, I like to do this because I like to have food fast. I don't always want to take the 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to cook food. I just want it right then and there. I get hungry very quickly and out of the blue, so I like to have food that I can grab real quick, or if I'm on my way to work. So let me know if you'd like me to cook something different, or I have a couple ideas of making my own bagel bites that you should be seeing in the next couple weeks, depending on if I can find the products for this. So I will see you in the next video, guys. I hope you have a great day.